Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is AmberMaria, and today I'm going to show you how to do this style. Let's go. Woo! Okay, you guys, so I know my hair looks like Amber. Did you wash it? Did you try to make it look good before you came on the camera? I did. All right, so I started the rubber band method already, but you know, it's just nice and neat. You know, got some nice parts going on. So these are the products that I'm using for it. So first I'm using, obviously, the edge wax. You see the price tag on it, but it is edge wax. I got it from the beauty supply store. And next I have my rubber bands. Now these rubber bands, what I usually do is put them like in the bottom of my container, put some oil in them. This is just growth hair oil by Curls. I've had this for a minute, just some oil that I can get my hands on. Just pour it in there. Using my red tail comb, kind of mix it up a little bit, just to make sure there's enough oil on it, not too much, but enough, you know, for it to coat it. All right, we're gonna do that U part. Okay. I'll continue to do this row, then we'll get started on twisting it up. Yeah. I'm so sorry I'm like this, you guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, I am officially done, and can I say it's one, these are very tight. I feel like they were too tight. I feel like they're way too tight. And can I just say, it's definitely 12 o'clock in the morning right now. I definitely have a meeting in the morning. I definitely have to get on a plane tomorrow for a conference in Atlanta, going to the Circle of CEOs. Ask me if I packed. I haven't packed anything. This is taking entirely too long, but you know, we're done, you know, with this part at least. But no, we're going to get started. I'm using the Free Twist braid per loop crochet hair. I took it out the pack, but this is what it looks like. All right, this is 16-inch water wave 1B. I got it in a 16-inch because I wanted it kind of shorter. And I also got a 14-inch to go towards. So I'm going to use my crochet needle, got that, and I bought some Shine and Jam Magic fingers. So this is supposed to be specifically for when you do braids and twists and everything. I've never used this before, but we're gonna see if it works. Hopefully it does. So yeah. So I think the video cut off when I was trying to explain how to do a single one. So just in case it did, you take the hair. You're gonna get 3 pieces of the Free Twist. I always pronounce it wrong. 3 pieces of the hair, like this. Line it up in the center so it can look like this. Next, you're going to move your fingers to kind of separate it and make it a little bit fluffy. All right. And if it gets a little frizzy, that's okay. You're just going to remove the excess frizz away, like the excess hair away. Okay. So like I got some excess hair, I'm just going to remove that. I'm then going to take my edge wax, put it on my fingers like so, put it at the center, twist it so it can be like a harder grip. Lay that down. Now, because I already did the rubber band method, it's already separated and everything. Just gonna tighten it a little bit. We're gonna take our edge wax, put it on that strand of hair, like so. I'm gonna take a little bit of leave-in conditioner that I have. I ran out of my shea butter that I usually use, so leave-in conditioner is the only thing I have. I know some people are like, you're not supposed to put anything on your hair, but I don't like my hair dry, so I'm gonna do it anyway. Then I'm gonna top it with some Shine Jam and just kind of put it on here. Make sure I get like the ends, and I see this trying to curl up, but that's okay. Then I'll take my crochet needle, move it inside the part of where the rubber band is, leave it like this, take that section of hair, make sure I twist it. Next, I'm going to hook that section of hair onto the hook. Then I'm going to close the latch, okay? Next, I'm gonna make sure that my index finger and my thumb is inside that loop because you're gonna need that later. Make sure it's closed. Pull it through the hole. Now, you're gonna unhook it and you should have a loop that looks like this. You're then gonna take one end of the hair, put it inside the loop, and pull. Not too tight, but you're gonna make a little bit of a knot, okay? Next, you're gonna take your actual hair and separate it. So now you have two strands of hair and you're just gonna twist it around each other. So while I'm going around my hair, I'm twisting each section, twisting each section. I'm just gonna keep going. While I do that, I'm gonna add some more of the jam and just keep going all the way until the end. Once I get to the end, I'm going to add some more edge wax, just a little bit. All right, get it to the end. Then I'm gonna take one of my small rubber bands, sorry, and tie it at the end of the hair. All right. That way it does not come undone. I usually don't tie a rubber band at the end, but I'm noticing that for the rest of my hair I did, and like it's staying, so I think I'm gonna start doing that. So it should look like this at the end. Next, I'm gonna take my scissors and just kind of cut a little bit of the excess off, just a little bit. Yeah, not that much. And this is what it looks like. All right. All of these look like. I love that they do look juicy. One thing I don't like about the rubber band method is that, like, it looks a little bulky, like, when you first start it, but I mean, it's fine. It'll do what I need it to do. So I'll finish this for the rest of it, and then I'll be done. Alright, hey you guys, so my face is on, of course. Put my scarf on because I had to lay my edges down just a little bit. You see the swoop? Well, you have to swoop it. But this is what the hair looks like. I think I like it. I think I like it. I think I like it. I think we look cute. I think we like it. This. But this is what it looks like, you know? Get the baby hairs, of course, doing the center part action, you feel me? This is what it looks like from the back. All right. I had to do the flip, but yeah, I want y'all to see my necklace. Isn't so cute? It has an A on it. But this is all I got, you guys. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I love you. God bless you. Peace.